Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today I want to show you how I make dry okra. I guess you guys know how okra look like. It's like this, okay guys? So I already chopped some okra. Then I want to show you two ways you can dry your okra. Most especially when you have a lot, you must find a way to preserve it. So let's get started. So guys, I'm going to show you the two ways I am using to preserve my okra. Okay, in this baking sheet, I'm going to dry this one in the oven. And I'm going to dry this one outside. Okay, back home in Africa, we normally dry our okra outside. So guys, now my hands are clean. So I'm just going to spread it out. Dry okra is another sweet sauce or soup. Okay. Guys, I have a lot of okra. I bought the case of okra so cheap. So I have some more behind the camera that I'm going to cut. So I don't want to squeeze it too much. And this is the one we're going to do outside under the sun. Okay guys? So we're gonna, because we want to see the difference. Okay guys. Okay. So this one, the oven is already preheated. I'm gonna stick it in my oven now. Okay, and this one I'm going to take it outside under the sun. Okay guys, so guys, this is the oven now. So I think I should put it down, right? It's better. Okay, so we're going to see what will come out of it. Okay guys, at 350, right? Okay, so if you can come with me. Okay guys, do you see the sun? It's so hot out here. So this is the okra now. So I'm just placing it, and I have this light scarf I'm going to use just to cover it. Okay, so it's going to take like maybe a week. Every day I will be putting it outside, but I will tell you how many days we did before it get dried. If you look on that side to my car, you will see that's ogiri. I'm also making dried ogiri. Okay guys, love you all. Guys, I just want to show you how far our dry okra is going. You see how it has shrink. Okay, so we still need more of the drying. Okay guys, at this point, if you don't want your dry okra to get burnt, you can turn off the gas, the stove, the oven, sorry. You can turn off the oven and just leave it inside, and maybe a couple of days, like 2-3 days, just turn on your oven warm and turn it off and just leave it inside until it gets crispy. Okay, So at this point, I'm still watching because I don't want it to get burnt. Okay, guys. So I'm just putting it back. It takes patience to get it to what you want. Okay, guys. Guys, at this point in time now, if you see some of them I can crush them now with my hands. So at this point in time, because I don't want it to get burnt, so I'm going to turn off the oven now and leave it, okay, and leave it inside. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the oven. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave it. Okay, I'm turning off the oven now. Okay, and leave it in the heat. Okay, guys. Okay, so far, thank you. Okay, guys, so this is the okra we dried in the oven. So we are about to grind it now into powder, guys. So the one we kept under the sun, we have to put it back today, and it's still under the sun. Okay, that one is going to take time to dry it up. Okay, guys. So, then I will show you how to cook the dry okra. Okay. That's it. See how quick it is. But be careful, it makes you sneeze a lot. So when you're opening it, be careful, okay? That's it. You know, making all these things by yourself, it helps you to know what you are eating. You get what I mean? Yeah. I'm so happy able to do my food stuff myself. Because the blender smooth it like this, there is no need to sieve it. Okay. So we're going to put all this aside, and this is the end product of the one we make. So what you should do, either a Ziploc or a container, just store it into a container or into a Ziploc, and this can last for years. It won't spoil. So guys, I want us to go outside now and look at the other one we are drying outside and see how far it has gone. So let's go outside. Okay guys, so come with me and see. This is the one we kept under the sun. Guess what, guys? Some of them spilled on the floor yesterday, but still we have some. You see, it still have more time to get dried up. Okay, so it's going to take a longer time. You know, it's the sun. So, but still, we're going to leave it until it gets dried up. But when it gets dried up, like the one I showed you, we did in the oven, you blend it the same way. The only thing with the one from under the sun, when it dried up, it maintained its color. It will be still green like that. Okay, so I'm not going to show you when it gets dried up, because I have other things to do. But I just want to tell you that when it gets dried up, you put it back in your blender and blend it. But when you squeeze it, you know that there is no more water inside. So every day I will be bringing it out like this until I get it done. Okay, guys? So let's go inside and see how we can conclude this video. Guys, I have a surprise for you. You know, we are doing our dry okra now, and this thing in this box, it has been like 2 years I wanted it, and today finally Amazon delivered it to me from my beautiful Auntie Margaret living in North Carolina. She gave it to me for my birthday. My birthday was September, but we are now in November, but she decided to give it to me for my birthday gift. And Father, this woman has been a blessing to this kitchen. She has given me so many things I'm using now in this kitchen. So I want you guys to bless her and pray that the Lord will grant her her heart desire, because anyone that sees in you, believe in you, and knows where God is taking you through the gift of God in your hand. You should not be joking with those kind of people. So I want you to join me as we unveil it. So today is the 5th of Mesba. Can you help me to bring it out? We unveil it to the virtuous Eunice's family. So guys, so the okra we dry in the oven, and the one we are laboring on the sun, if we dry it here, it's going to come green. So now we will be able to make our chicken seasoning, our fish seasoning, our beef seasoning, and we're going to have some dry fruits that will be healthy for us in this kitchen. So guys, I'm so happy. May God bless her, guys. So this is what we have addition. As we are coming to the end, there's a Pastor Jerry, that says, even to the end of the last day of this year, you will carry your evidence. I have carried something that's so precious to me. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I don't know what to say to Auntie Margaret. Only God knows how I pray for this woman. So guys, hopefully we have something to do inside of it. And I thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, God will bless you. And one day, wherever you are in this world, we will meet, because I plan something big. And one day, we will meet and celebrate. Okay, guys? So, bye. Love you.